Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. That's the only way you can help your friends and you can keep me going, energized and refreshed. Also, if you like my videos, if you find my videos important to your studies, don't forget to subscribe. By the first method, determine the support reactions. Make moment at B as the redundant. EI equals constant. So here is the given figure. So B is fixed. Let's convert that to pin so that it will rotate so we can solve for the slope at B. And it becomes a determinate beam. So therefore, because this becomes a determinate beam, the reaction at A is WL over 2. The reaction at B is also WL over 2. And by symmetry, the slope at A is numerically equal to the slope at B. But let's follow the instruction that we will make moment at B as the redundant. So this is theta B. So for this is the primary structure for this structure here, subjected to a unit couple of 1. Let's have a clockwise couple so that it will deflect opposite to this beam. The deflection would be here, and this is FBB due to this unit load, unit couple. So for the primary structure, there is a direct formula for theta B, but we will not do that because of memorization. So let's derive it. AIY double prime equals WL over 2 times X. Imagine we have two sections here, X, minus the moment of the load WX times X over 2, or WX square over 2. So EIY prime equals WLX square over 4 minus WX cube over 6 plus C sub 1. There is C sub 1 for this primary structure, but there is no C sub 2. Integrating again, EIY equals WLX cube over 12 minus WX to the 4th over 24 plus C sub 1X. Then let's evaluate C sub 1 when X is L, Y is 0. So 0 equals WL over 12 times L cube minus W over 24 times L to the 4th plus C sub 1 times L. Solving for C sub 1 is negative WL cube over 24. Theta A therefore is WL cube over 24 EI. That's the meaning. Theta B is positive of that value WL cube over 24. But let's show that theta B is really WL cube over 24 EI. So AI theta B into this equation WL over 4 times L square minus WL cube over 6 plus C sub 1, which is negative WL cube over 24. So theta B is really WL cube over 24 EI as expected. Then for this, so we have the reaction here is 1 over L downward. So reaction times L equals 1. So that's why this is 1 over L downward. At B, 1 over L upward, but we are not interested of that. So imagine we have a section here. So the moment is negative 1 over L times X. That's the only equation. We section here X. Integrating EIY prime equals negative 1 X squared over 2 L plus C sub 3. And EIY equals negative 1 over 6L x cubed plus C sub 3x. There's no C sub 4. So 0 equals negative 1 over L cubed plus C sub 3 times L when x is L. Y is 0. So C sub 3 is L over 6. Therefore, substitute here. X is L. We can compute FBB or the slope at B due to this unit couple. So EIFBB is equal to negative 1 over 2L times L squared plus C sub 3, which is L over 6, So FBB equals negative L over 3 EI. So the equation therefore FBB times MB plus theta B equals 0. So FBB times MB plus theta B equals 0. That's the compatibility equation, where FBB is negative L over 3, EI is cancelled, times MB plus theta B, WL cube over 24. So that's why I do not write EI because it will be cancelled. From here, we can solve MB equals WL square over 8 clockwise because it is in the direction of this couple. So if it is clockwise, that is negative supposedly. We can now compute RA or AY and BY. So summation moment at B equals 0, AY times L plus WL square over 8 equals W times L over 2. So that means AY equals 3WL over 8. Then summation forces Y or summation moment about A. Then we can also compute BY 5WL over 8. Or simply summation versus Y, WL minus 3WL over 8 is 5WL over 8. So that's it for this problem.